This is how we add a file to a post. Say I already have an answer to this guy. I'm going to reply to his thread and say, this is the answer. Check attached. I'm going to go to advanced. Hit your paperclip. Okay. Say add file, browse. That's going to be the answer. Upload. There it is. Say done. Submit reply. Now we have, this is the answer. Check attached. There's the file right there.